Hey everyone, my name is Nick. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download and play CS2 on Roblox in 2026. Let's get started. First of all, you need to install Roblox player. So to do it, open up a browser and type here Roblox installer or Roblox download, something like that. And then click on the first link to download Roblox. So click here. Then find this button, download Windows app. After that, you can save the installer and of course run it on your PC after the downloading. So install it completely on your device, and after the installation process, you have to run Roblox. So just double click on Roblox player, wait a second, and of course log into your account. After that, you will see the home page. At the very top, you can find the search box, so just click on it. Here you have to type CS2, then press enter. And after that, on the first place, you will see Bloxstrike, so just click on it, and of course, run this place. Okay, and here is the game, Bloxstrike or CS2. Finally, you can start playing CS2 right in Roblox. Just select the necessary team, and here it is. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.